everybody, welcome back to Cookin with James. I'm your host James. Today we are doing a no vegan challenge is what's going on, brought to me by Pete Thomas. Alright, now this guy's channel is awesome. He goes to different places in the world, Trinidad and the Wells and all this other stuff. Check his videos out. They're actually pretty intriguing, pretty amazing, so check his stuff out. It'll be in the description. This is going to be what we're doing today on the No Vegan. I'm going to start with some shrimp. Alright, we got one little boneless pork chop here, a chicken breast. Alright, of course you have to have bacon. Alright, we've got steak. Alright, then we got some jalapeno poppers. And then we got some Swiss cheese, and actually I didn't put it out here, but it's in the fridge, but that's fine, I'll show you later, but it's gonna also be some pepper jack cheese as well. So that's what we're doing today for the non-vegan challenge. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and cut and season the meat. So now it's time to drop that beef. Alright guys, we're done seasoning. I'm gonna go light up the Blackstone griddle and we will meet you out there. Alright guys, we're at the Blackstone. We're gonna go ahead and throw some bacon on first. So here we go with the crispy, delicious bacon. Now we're gonna throw the chicken on. Let's go chicken. Well, it smells delicious. I'll tell you that raw already. It smells delicious. So we got these things going. We're gonna give this just a couple of minutes to kind of heat up and cook, because other stuff's gonna be a lot quicker. So I'm gonna bring you back when we're gonna throw the steak and the shrimp and everything else on. See you then. All right, guys, we're gonna throw the rest of the stuff down. We got some the jalapeno poppers already stuffed, just a couple, ready to go. We're gonna set that right there. It's probably gonna get some of the extra bacon grease. We're also gonna be throwing this steak here. Alright guys, we're just going to add the shrimp now. Alright guys, so we got some of the stuff off the grill, the bacon and stuff, as you can see, that's going to be added later. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually add cheese to this, right? Non-vegan, I mean, you got to add cheese, of course. Anyway, so this is the pork chops. We're going to add a little bit of Swiss on that. We're going to take this part of a chicken breast, throw that right on top of there, and then add a slice of pepper jack right on top of that. Now we're going to let that melt, and we're actually going to throw another piece of Swiss on top of the steak. Boom, just like that. Alright, cool. So what we're going to do is we're going to throw this on real quick and let it melt. And it should be about a minute or so. Once that's melted, we'll put it on the tray, we'll take it back in, and we'll build your sandwich. Alright. Alright guys, let's take the top off this and see what we got as far as cheese. Yep, perfect. Alright, we're good to go. I'm going to grab this pan as we got all of our other meats on here. Ooh, this is hot. So the steak, just like that. Oh my gosh, that's going right there. The pork chops, the chicken. Oh my gosh. You know what? Yeah, we're good here. We got all our stuff that we're ready to go with. We'll meet you inside and we'll make the sandwich. See you then. All right, guys, so we got all the meat and everything done. We're gonna go ahead and make the spread for this, which is about a tablespoon of mayo. We're gonna add about a teaspoon. Oh, I didn't open that. Of course not. So open this up. Teaspoon of sriracha. And also a teaspoon, almost, it's minced already, perfect, of garlic. And we're simply just gonna put this all together. All right? That's gonna be our basis for our spread or our mix on our sandwich. All right, guys, we're inside, ready to build the sandwich. So I'm gonna kind of use an idea that I did before. So we just had that whole loaf. We cut that in half real quick. Now I'm just gonna scrape this bread, and it's super fresh. I mean, I bought it from the bakery today. They baked it today. I'm just gonna kind of cup out the middle there, and I'm gonna just leave that there for a minute anyway. So we're gonna build this from the bottom up, and I do need a spatula because that's hot. We have a spatula. So we got the pork chops. Ooh, look at that. That cheese is still melty. The pork chops and the chicken. All right, so from there, we got the cheese on. We're gonna go ahead and throw, these were deveined and everything shrimp, just the tail needs to come off. So we're gonna go ahead and pull the tails off of these bad boys. Throw some shrimp in here. Actually, I'm gonna throw some shrimp on the side. Throw some shrimp everywhere. Wherever you can fit shrimp, I guess. Just put shrimp on it. It's a non-vegan sandwich, man. And actually from here, this cheese is already melty. I'm just gonna, for the fun of it, I didn't plan this, but I'm gonna throw some more cheese on top of there. Now we're running with some bacon, guys. Now we're running with some bacon. Smash it down. That steak is delicious. Jalapeno poppers. Now I wanna do this, actually I'll do it upside down. Right in the middle. Actually the little stem on here, just pop that stem off, no problem. So right in the middle. So every bite has a jalapeno popper taste. Now we have this steak over here pre-made, and it's got the cheese melted and everything already on top of that thing. We got the steak on top of that. And the reason why, as you can see, I made a little cavity in this thing, watch this. Get on there. Get on there. All right, look at that. Oh my gosh. I mean, that's what I'm talking about. All right, so that's what it is, guys. That's the non-vegan challenge. All right. Oh, you know what? I gotta put the spread on it. I was so happy about the steak, I forgot to put the spread on, man. Oh, actually, I'm so sorry, guys. Cap it. All right, there we go. All right, so yeah, what we're gonna do is go ahead and we're gonna take a quick cut. I'm gonna come back. We're gonna cut this thing up and we're gonna give it a quick taste and see what we ended up on the non-vegan challenge. See you in just a minute. All right, guys, we are finished with this thing. Look at this. Look at what we have inside here. Quit playing. Look at that thing. Oh, okay, we're cutting it up right now. Oh my gosh, got bacon falling out. Hey, shrimp falling out. Guys, non-vegan. All right, that's what I'm talking about. It's still super hot, but just for you guys, I will burn my mouth to give you a taste of this deliciousness. So first bite of the non-vegan challenge by Pete Thomas. Here it goes. Oh my God. Cut. Whew. All right, guys, I couldn't, I knew when I bit into that thing, it was just so much. But it's awesome. It's fantastically fabulous, man. Big shout out to Pete Thomas and his channel. Go and check his channel out, subscribe. We'll have a link, obviously in the description and everything. But one last look at what we worked with here. Oh, actually got bacon popping out and stuff, and just all kinds of awesomeness. I can't wait to eat this. It's going to be freaking phenomenal. So if you haven't subscribed, please do hit the bell for the notifications so you can see all of our future videos. That's what we did today, guys. I think we knocked it out of the park with the non-vegan challenge. So we're going to wrap this thing up. Love and appreciate all you guys, especially all my subscribers. And we'll see you in the next episode. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. You can do that here. You can watch all the videos as well here. And we will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.